everyone. I'm Dr. Chris D.O.Ikeanyi, the president of Idomi Foundation. Welcome to Idomi Foundation website. The full name of this foundation is Igwe D.O and Mercy Ikeanyi Idomi. We, the children of our parents whose names bear this foundation, created this charitable project to continue the legacy of our parents who devoted their financial resources and time towards the education and feeding of indigent poor children around them. Through their scholarship projects, they are committed to funding the education of poor children who cannot receive basic education without any assistance. Our parents believe that the gift of quality education to every child is the best way to spread literacy and numeracy all over the world, as well as fostering informed society. Our father and mother believe that children should not go to school with empty stomachs because healthy nutrition facilitates the cognitive development of children. Based on this belief, we are committed to providing food and basic necessities to needy families, but we need their help to do it. We want to use this foundation to sustain the legacies of our parents by continuing to offer scholarships and food to children. We intend to offer and continue to offer scholarships to children from kindergarten through university level. Please donate to this cause. You can donate by clicking on this link. Thank you for your generous support.